Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, transmission 6-speed automatic, fog lamps, luggage rack, privacy glass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.